Hey friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer, and if you're like me, you start to wonder what's happening to all the plumbing in my RV and my appliances by hooking up to all these different water sources at all the different campgrounds you go to. Do you start to get a calcium buildup? Do you see on your faucets and so forth because of the hard water? Same thing on washing your vehicle. Have you ever found after the fact that it almost looks just as dirty as it did before you start because of all the hard water spots that are left after you rinse down your RV? I wanted to try to combat hard water and the impact it would have in the RV and especially washing it. It was very frustrating. And so I wanted to invest in this as a portable water softener. I ordered this particular one from NP Global, and hang with me to the end and I'll share with you that if you're interested in getting something like this, how the manufacturer is offering a discount for a short period of time. And basically it's really easy to use, but I'll show you all the things that you get when you order this. And so you have a lot of different connectors here. And basically this is this portable tank that you can carry around with you in your RV. It would be basically when you go to a campsite, you would hook your water intake here, and then you have your hose that would come out here and go directly into your RV water system. It doesn't really cut down on any of the pressure, but what they tell me it does is not only softens your water, removes any stains that come from it, increases the lifespan of your appliances, improves that feel that you get on your skin when you take a shower in your RV, improves the taste and the odor of the water. It takes away the scale buildup that comes from hard water and even reduces the calcium, magnesium, and iron in water that is hard that we're going to commonly get at the campgrounds. So really the way to use this, the first time, what they tell me to do is run your fresh water in the inlet and you run your hose out the outside here. You let that run for 4 to 5 minutes, and basically that generates everything that needs to start to soften the water, and then it's ready to be used. It's pretty simple that way. Around month 4 after you use this, then you would actually reverse that. So now you're going to run your water through your outlet and let it come out your inlet basically. So you reverse how you would normally do it, and that backwashes the system for you. They say once or twice a year you actually unscrew this and you actually would add salt to inside to help keep it generating and working correctly. But that isn't very often. And the only other thing I'll point out to you is that after you've used this, if like you're ready to leave your campsite, whatever, all you do is you take and you turn it upside down and you let it sit on top of that head and just let it drain all the water back out before you store it or get ready to head out from your camping place, because you don't want to carry it when it's full and you want to get that water out to lighten it. It's not super light by itself. I would tell you this probably weighs, my guess is maybe 20 pounds or something as it sits. So when I reached out to the manufacturer on this, I said, hey, if I do a quick video and share it with others, they decided to offer a 10% discount that if you want to purchase this for a very limited time, I'll include the link in the description section below. And if you click on that link, you could get a hold of one of these for yourself at a slight discount. So hopefully you find this helpful, and hopefully it's something that helps optimize your future RV trips. So with that said, thanks for watching.